Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, this is the craft that I'm going to be creating. I did this, y'all, $3. Do you hear me? $3, and this is gonna go in my house as some decor. Yes, my heart is a little wonky, but you know what? Overall, I like it. It came out great. Um, yeah, so that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into this craft because it was super easy, super quick, super fun. Um, yeah, let's go ahead and do it. All right, you guys. So of course, you are going to need thumbtacks. You can get these from Dollar Tree. That's where I got these. I purchased these. I purchased two of them. I hope 2 packs is enough. They each come with 300, and I got the silver instead of the gold, just because it matches, my house decor better. And I also have a printout of what I would like it to look like. You don't need a printout. You could just go off of your laptop and just look at it that way, or you could just freehand it. Me, I'm not that good at freehanded. I definitely have to have a visual, and then I can, draw it on there. And then, of course, what you need is you are going to need foam board. Now you can choose to do this on black. I have both black and white, but I'm going to do this on the black just so the silver can show up better. And then of course, you're gonna need a pencil or whatever. Oh Jesus, this is a lot bigger than I thought, y'all. Oh God, I am so nervous. Like with this really right here in front of me, it's like, okay, this is really real. Where where am I gonna put this? I actually got to stand up to do this project. All right, y'all. This is really happening. I gotta really get started. Okay, so I'm all done with the picture, but as you can see, the thumbtacks are sticking out onto the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over it with my glue gun, and then after I do that, I'm going to put black duct tape over it just to kind of protect the wall, and also whoever is handling it, like taking it up, putting it up and taking it down. So for that whole project, I used almost 2 full thumbtack things. So this project was pretty much $3. That's it. You can't beat that. $3, and it's a big wall piece of art. Can't beat it. Alright you guys, so this is how it came out. I am all the way done. This was a $3 project, and as you can see, this thing is pretty big in size. It's going to go in my kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this craft, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.